Welcome to Health and Technology TV, where we bring you the latest innovations and breakthroughs from around the world. Today, we're exploring the incredible world of water vehicles, from futuristic yachts to advanced submarines and beyond. These watercraft are redefining travel and recreation on the water, combining cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and sheer creativity. Whether you're a boating enthusiast or just curious about what's out there, this video will leave you amazed. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more jaw-dropping tech and innovation content. Let's dive in. Let's start with a major trend in watercraft technology: electric-powered yachts. These vessels are leading the way in sustainable luxury travel. Fully solar-powered and designed for eco-conscious travelers, yachts like the Silent 60 combine luxury and zero-emission travel. The Arc 1 electric speedboat boasts a sleek design and groundbreaking performance, reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour on clean energy. Electric yachts reduce noise pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, making them a win for both the environment and enthusiasts. Would you trade a traditional boat for an electric-powered yacht? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Jet skis are getting a futuristic makeover with advanced designs and innovative features. The Taiga Orca electric jet ski delivers thrilling speeds without the noise or emissions of traditional models. The Manta 5 hydrofoil bike is a unique personal watercraft that lets you cycle on water, combining fitness with fun. Many modern jet skis now come with GPS navigation, safety tracking, and smartphone connectivity for a seamless experience. What's your dream personal watercraft? Share your pick in the comments below. Submarines aren't just for researchers and the military anymore. Personal submarines are making underwater exploration accessible to enthusiasts. Triton luxury submarines offer panoramic underwater views, capable of diving up to 3,300 feet. The Deep Flight Super Falcon 3S allows users to fly underwater, offering a one-of-a-kind experience. With advanced navigation systems and robust safety features, personal submarines are making the deep sea more accessible than ever. Would you take a dive in a personal submarine? Let us know in the comments if underwater exploration excites you. Amphibious vehicles are redefining versatility by seamlessly transitioning between land and water. The Gibbs quad ski transforms from a quad bike into a jet ski in under 5 seconds, perfect for adventure lovers. The classic Amphicar 770 lets you drive straight into the water and cruise like a boat. Many amphibious vehicles are also used in rescue operations and military missions, showcasing their practicality. Would you want an amphibious vehicle for your next adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Autonomous technology is now taking over the water with self-driving boats and ships. Sea Machines Robotics creates AI-driven vessels for cargo transport, ocean exploration, and even search and rescue missions. Robots, autonomous water taxis, are being tested in cities like Amsterdam, promising to transform urban waterways. Autonomous watercraft improve safety, efficiency, and sustainability in marine transportation. Do you think self-driving boats are the future? Share your predictions below. From electric-powered yachts to amphibious vehicles and personal submarines, these watercraft showcase the incredible innovation happening in marine technology. They're not just changing how we navigate the water, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Which of these water vehicles amazed you the most? Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest in health, tech, and innovation. Check out our other videos for more fascinating topics and futuristic gadgets. Thanks for watching Health and Technology TV, and until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring